The world goes quiet in the darkness. The sounds of the day fade away and the shadows grow long. But even in the deepest darkness, there are lights. Some of these lights come from stars far, far away. Others come from animals like fireflies blinking on a summer night. This is the magic of chemiluminescence, the ability of living things and chemical reactions to create light. Chemiluminescence might sound complicated, but it's all around us. It's the reason glowsticks glow in the dark, and it's how fireflies signal each other on summer nights. From the depths of the ocean to a chemistry set in a lab, chemiluminescence is a beautiful and useful phenomenon. Chemiluminescence occurs when a chemical reaction releases energy in the form of light. Unlike incandescent light bulbs, which produce light through heat, chemiluminescence is a cold light that doesn't generate much heat. This makes it incredibly efficient and has led to its use in a variety of applications. Imagine a child waving a glow stick at a nighttime parade, or a scientist in a lab using chemiluminescence to track the movement of cells. These are just two examples of how we've harnessed the power of chemiluminescence to illuminate our world. Get ready to be amazed as we unlock the secrets of light created by chemistry. Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the devices we use, is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms themselves are composed of even smaller particles, including electrons. These electrons are in constant motion, orbiting the atom's nucleus like planets around a sun. When an atom absorbs energy, its electrons can jump to higher energy levels further away from the nucleus. This energized state is temporary, however, and the excited electrons naturally want to return to their original lower energy levels. Imagine a ball bouncing down a flight of stairs. As it bounces down each step, it releases some of its energy. Similarly, when an electron transitions back to a lower energy level, it releases energy. This release of energy is the key to chemiluminescence. The type of light emitted during chemiluminescence depends on the amount of energy released. Each color of light, from red to violet, corresponds to a specific wavelength and energy level. During a chemiluminescent reaction, the excited electrons release energy in the form of photons, which are tiny packets of light. The color of the light emitted depends on the energy difference between the excited state and the ground state of the electrons. Think of a rainbow. Each color in the rainbow represents light with a different wavelength and energy level. The intensity of the chemiluminescent glow depends on the rate at which the chemical reaction occurs. A faster reaction means more photons are emitted per unit of time, resulting in a brighter light. Chemiluminescence is a beautiful example of how energy can be transformed from one form to another. Chemical energy, stored within the bonds of molecules, is converted into light energy, illuminating the world around us. But the magic of chemiluminescence wouldn't be possible without a special type of molecule called a luciferin. Luciferins are molecules that can be excited to higher energy levels and emit light upon returning to their ground state. They are the key players in chemiluminescent reactions, acting like tiny light bulbs within living organisms and chemical mixtures. Get ready to delve into the intricate world of bioluminescence, a captivating form of chemiluminescence found in nature. On warm summer evenings, fireflies emerge, transforming backyards and fields into a magical light show. These fascinating creatures, also known as lightning bugs, are a prime example of bioluminescence, a type of chemiluminescence that occurs in living organisms. Fireflies produce light through a chemical reaction that takes place within specialized cells called photocytes, located in their abdomens. Inside these cells, a molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction releases energy in the form of light, creating the firefly's characteristic glow. The light produced by fireflies is typically yellow, green, or pale red, depending on the species. The intensity and pattern of flashes also vary, serving as a form of communication between fireflies. Male fireflies use their flashes to attract females, while females flash back to signal their interest. It's a mesmerizing display of nature's own light show, powered by the magic of chemiluminescence. From concerts to camping trips, glow sticks have become a staple for adding a touch of fun and illumination to our nighttime activities. These plastic tubes, filled with a chemical cocktail, demonstrate the practical applications of chemiluminescence beyond the natural world. Inside a glow stick, two separate solutions are contained within a flexible outer casing. One solution contains a phenyl oxalate ester and a fluorescent dye, while the other contains hydrogen peroxide. When you bend the glow stick, you break an inner glass vial, allowing the two solutions to mix. This mixing initiates a chemical reaction that excites the electrons in the dye molecules. As these excited electrons return to their ground state, they release energy in the form of light, causing the glow stick to illuminate. Glow sticks are a fascinating example of how we can harness the power of chemiluminescence for practical purposes. While fireflies and glow sticks offer captivating examples of chemiluminescence, the phenomenon extends far beyond these familiar cases. From the ocean depths to the medical field, chemiluminescence illuminates our world in diverse and often surprising ways. Deep in the ocean, where sunlight struggles to penetrate, bioluminescent creatures create their underwater light shows. Marine organisms like jellyfish, anglerfish, and certain types of squid utilize chemiluminescence for various purposes, including attracting prey, finding mates, and deterring predators. In the medical field, chemiluminescence plays a crucial role in diagnostic testing. The potential applications for this fascinating phenomenon seem as limitless as our imagination. Imagine a place where the water sparkles and shimmers with an ethereal blue light. These magical places are called bioluminescent bays. Found around the globe, they offer a breathtaking spectacle of nature's light show. Home to dinoflagellates, these bays glow when disturbed. Famous bays are in Puerto Rico, Jamaica, and Vietnam. Kayaking or swimming here leaves a trail of sparkling blue light. Dinoflagellates, the tiny organisms responsible for the magical glow of bioluminescent bays, are fascinating creatures in their own right. These single-celled algae are found in both marine and freshwater environments, and they play a crucial role in the aquatic food web. Dinoflagellates possess a unique ability to produce light through a chemical reaction that takes place within specialized organelles called scintillons. These organelles contain the essential ingredients for bioluminescence: luciferin, luciferase, and oxygen. When the dinoflagellate is disturbed, these components mix, triggering a chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of light. The bioluminescence of dinoflagellates serves multiple purposes. For some species, the sudden burst of light can startle predators, giving them time to escape. The study of dinoflagellates and their bioluminescence has led to important discoveries in various fields, including cell biology, biochemistry, and marine ecology. Bioluminescent bays are not only a breathtaking spectacle of nature, but also fragile ecosystems that require careful protection. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant threats to these unique environments and the organisms that call them home. Runoff from fertilizers, pesticides, and sewage can disrupt the delicate balance of nutrients in the water, harming the dinoflagellates and other marine life. Coastal development and deforestation can lead to sedimentation and erosion, which can cloud the water and reduce the clarity necessary for bioluminescence to be visible. Protecting bioluminescent bays requires a multifaceted approach that includes reducing pollution, promoting sustainable tourism, and raising awareness about the importance of these ecosystems. By understanding the delicate balance of these ecosystems and the threats they face, we can work together to ensure that the magic of bioluminescent bays continues to inspire and amaze people for years to come. While chemiluminescence might seem like a phenomenon best observed in nature's light shows, it also plays a vital role in the controlled environment of the laboratory. Scientists have harnessed the power of chemiluminescent reactions to develop a range of tools and techniques with applications spanning various fields from medicine to forensics. One of the most common uses of chemiluminescence in the lab is in analytical chemistry. By carefully selecting specific reactants and measuring the intensity of light emitted, scientists can detect and quantify minute amounts of substances, even in complex mixtures. This technique, known as chemiluminescence assay, has revolutionized fields like medical diagnostics and environmental monitoring. Chemiluminescence assays make it possible to detect the presence of a specific protein in a blood sample with remarkable sensitivity. These assays are also used to detect contaminants in food and water, ensuring safety and quality control. Beyond analytical applications, chemiluminescence has paved the way for innovations in imaging technology. Chemiluminescence has emerged as a powerful tool in medicine, providing non-invasive and highly sensitive methods for diagnosing and monitoring various health conditions. From detecting infections to imaging tumors, chemiluminescent techniques are illuminating the inner workings of the human body with remarkable precision. One notable application is in the diagnosis of infectious diseases. Chemiluminescent immunoassays are widely used to detect the presence of antibodies or antigens associated with specific pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and parasites. These assays offer rapid and accurate results, aiding in timely diagnosis and treatment decisions. Chemiluminescent assays make it possible to diagnose a bacterial infection within minutes instead of days. Chemiluminescence also plays a crucial role in cancer research and treatment. Scientists are developing chemiluminescent probes that target cancer cells specifically, allowing for the detection of tumors at an early stage and monitoring their response to therapy. Section 3. A bright future. The expanding world of chemiluminescent applications. The future of chemiluminescence is brimming with possibilities. From efficient lighting to innovative sensors, the applications are constantly expanding. One exciting area is bioluminescent plants and trees. Imagine streetlights replaced by glowing trees. Scientists are making strides towards this vision. Chemiluminescence also promises sensitive sensors for detecting pollutants and monitoring food quality, and diagnosing diseases through breath analysis. It's an ideal tool for global challenges, from environmental protection to human health. As our understanding deepens, more innovative applications will emerge. The enduring allure of chemiluminescence, from fireflies illuminating a summer night to the blue light of a bioluminescent bay, chemiluminescence captivates us. Producing light without heat, it sparks curiosity and awe. We've explored its science from electron dances to photon releases. Fireflies communicate with bioluminescent flashes, glowsticks brighten festivities, and scientists diagnose diseases with it. Chemiluminescence shows the beauty and wonder of nature. It teaches us that light can emerge from darkness. As we conclude, let's carry a renewed sense of wonder and appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. Section 2. A universe of light waiting to be discovered. The study of chemiluminescence is far from over. In fact, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of this fascinating phenomenon. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the intricate mechanisms of chemiluminescence, uncovering new examples of it in nature, and finding innovative ways to harness its power. Deep in the ocean, new species of bioluminescent creatures are still being discovered, each with its own unique way of producing and utilizing light. From the depths of the Mariana Trench to the coral reefs of the tropics, the ocean holds a treasure trove of bioluminescent wonders waiting to be revealed. In research labs around the world, scientists are developing new chemiluminescent probes for medical imaging, creating more sensitive sensors for environmental monitoring, and even exploring the potential of bioluminescent plants to light our cities. The future of chemiluminescence is bright, literally. As we continue to explore and understand this captivating phenomenon, we can look forward to a future illuminated by its potential. Section 3. The importance of curiosity and exploration. Chemiluminescence serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of curiosity and exploration. It was through observing the natural world, asking questions and seeking answers that we came to understand this fascinating phenomenon. And it is through continued curiosity and exploration that we will unlock its full potential. Encourage yourself and those around you, especially young minds, to never stop questioning, exploring, and seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and chemiluminescence is just one shining example. So the next time you see a firefly blinking in the night or crack a glow stick at a concert, take a moment to appreciate the magic of chemiluminescence. It's a reminder that the world is full of wonder, and that even in the darkest of times there is always light to be found.